Hey, what's going on, guys? Court here. I've been trading for over 10 years, had a lot of experiences, and I am here to share my journey with you guys. I had a lot of lessons, paid a lot of money. I call that my tuition for the trading game. I traded on my own, not with any hedge funds or banks, okay? This is actually my very first video. Welcome. Please subscribe, like the video if you see anything of value to you at all. Okay, thank you very much. This is what I call the 10 trade commandments. Okay, these are the rules and guidelines that I go by to personally get my mind right, keep my psychological intact to tackle the trading day. Okay, here we go. Rule number one: never trade outside of the major sessions of the day, which are New York, London, and Asian sessions. Okay, as a matter of fact, only trade New York and London because those are the most volatile points of the market. But people do Asian, to each his own. Okay, people lose money by over trading or over leveraging. Okay, we're not gonna do either one. So stay within those session breaks. Okay. Number two, never enter a trade during the very top or the very bottom. That's called FOMO, fear of missing out. You see a trade break out and you immediately try to pull the trigger, okay? If it broke out without you in it, you're too late to the party, okay? Wait for a retracement or a pullback for you to then enter that trade. You don't want to enter at the very top or the very bottom, also because you're not getting value. Okay, you're not entering at the greatest value, and you can get drawdown that you don't want. Okay, we want to be professionals about this, so we want minimal drawdown, getting into a trade at a very good position. Okay, number three, each trade must tell a story. Okay, you want to be able to get into a trade. You want to say to yourself, okay, I'm on the second day of the cycle. They will most likely continue with this trend, or I see them reversing. This is a Wednesday. They usually do the reversals this day. I think that they're going to tap the highs, go for a stop hunt, and then break completely down. Something like that. You wanna open your chart and go to the daily, the 4-hour, work your day way down, and all the way down to the 15 to the 1 minute, which is what I do to get a more accurate entry and an exit. Okay. Number four, and this may be a controversial one, my opinion nonetheless. Never take another trade from a trading service again. Okay. Why do I think that? Because one man's judgment is not my own. Okay, I may have a different understanding of the market than another man. Okay, you could be in trading. You could be trading in the New York session right along with me. You make money off a buy. I make money off of a sell. It could be because you're going with the trend. So you bought and it went up. Once it hit that price point, you got out. That's when I got in to make money off of the correction. Everybody has their own strategy. I suggested you stick to it and stick with the understanding of the market. That's how you have consistent gains and more success in the trading game. Okay. Number five, never enter a trade without knowing the news that's coming up. Okay, there's very important red folder news that may be coming out, i.e. FOMC, NFP for the month, CPI, tell you about inflation. Okay, you don't want to, say you enter a trade at 8 o'clock and then you got major news coming out at 8:30. You're gonna want to wait for the news to come out before you even enter, because you could be in a good trade and it goes all the way against you because the news is pushing the market in the other direction. Okay, so do your due diligence. Know what the news is going to be on that calendar for the week before you even take part. Okay. Number six, and I kind of alluded to this already, stick to your strategy. Stick to your own strategy, your own experiences. Okay. Because that's what you know. That's what you're doing every day. Okay. I am, however, a big believer in, reading and, ongoing learning. You want to learn as much as you can, but don't just take any advice from any fly-by-night person and signal service to deter the success that you're already having, okay? Um, this is mostly psychological, so you don't want to mess up and confuse your psyche by listening to all these other different people, okay? Number 7, okay? You want to come to the conclusion, and let me first say that I am not a retail trader, okay? That's why 95% of traders in this market lose, okay? Because they have a retail approach, trading like a layman, okay? You want to trade along with the banks, all right? You want to see how the big money is entering the market, and then you want to see how to signal that, and then you trade along with that. Okay, they have a lot, and when I say algorithms, the banks use bots. Okay, they use bots. They see where traders are entering, and then they go off of that. And then you want to be patient, realize that the algorithms are happening in the major sessions, London, New York, Asian, and take advantage of that. Okay, no sense in taking part in the market when the algorithms aren't happening, and it's not going to be volatile enough for you to turn enough profit. Okay, very important. Number 8, okay, it's very important to know that this is a psychological game. Another thing that I alluded to, anyone can do technical analysis. You can just read technical analysis for dummies. You learn that and jump into the market, but know that it is all psychological. Okay, it's psychological for you to have the discipline to put a stop loss on every trade. Psychological for you to know the price points, where to get in, where to get out. That is all on you. Okay, you don't have to be you don't have to have a 90% success rate to be a profitable trader. Okay, as long as you're getting out of the wrong trades fast and taking advantage of the runners, you're gonna be fine. You'll be golden. Okay. Number 9, if you're not clear on the direction, there's no sense in trading. Okay, a lot of people feel that they need to trade every day. And I do like to look at the market every day, but that doesn't mean that I'm trading every single day. I'm being patient. I'm not making a trade if I don't see the proper setup, guys. Okay, that is very important. Another vital key to keep you on the right track of consistent trading. Okay. Number 10, take profits. I repeat, take your profits. Okay. What I like to do, if I'm going for a standard lot, a whole standard lot, I'll do a 0.4 and 2.3s. That breaks up the same standard lot. So when it runs and I'm up 25 pips, I can take out 1.3, a 0.3 trade. So I have 0.7 on the line, and I took some of my profit. So now if it goes against me, I'm putting my stop loss at break even, by the way. It goes against me and goes to break even. I'm paid for my time because at least I took some money off the table, okay? And now, if it keeps running, that 0.7, I'm still in the game to take part in those runners. And you definitely want to always leave something, because you never know when it's going to take off. You never know when it's going to come back. All right, we're dealing with high probability trades. Okay, so you wanna take part in the high probability trades and practice proper risk management so you do not bleed the money that you have in your account. Okay, so guys, those were my 10 trade commandments. I hope that it does well for you as it's done for me. Any questions or concerns, leave in the comment section. Lastly, guys, a professional is paid for his craft. Fine tune and hone these crafts. Okay, so you're the one that's in consistent profits and not your stock brokerage. Till next time, guys.